Hi guys, welcome back to another Kiwi in Japan. In this video, I'm doing an unboxing video. I've bought this figurine in Ikebukuro in Tokyo, and they sell a lot of like cosplay things and key rings and figurines more targeted towards girls. But I found this here. This is the mascot character from Persona 4. His name is Teddy, and I kind of don't really like this character, but I saw it and I was like, well, it's only 1,000 yen, which is about 15 New Zealand dollars. And I looked at the back and I looked at everything, and it actually holds your glasses. When you have him sitting out, his hands are so far apart that you can just make him hold glasses and it looks like he's wearing the glasses. So I thought, for 1,000 yen, it's too cute to pass up, so I'm gonna buy it. So I bought it, and today I'm gonna unbox it. So I think this is probably secondhand, this figurine, which is why it was so cheap, but it doesn't matter. It's a cute little thing. It's not just a figurine, it has a practical purpose as well to hold my glasses. So here he is, and he's like, looks very like re-taped up, so I'm a bit worried I'm gonna damage some of the goods while I'm opening it here. Oh, there we go. So this is the base that it comes with. This is actually from Persona 4, the animation, the animated series based on the game. So it's more of a re-release. It's not from when the game officially came out, so I guess this figurine's not as rare. But like, I don't care about none of that. Oh, he's quite wedged in there. I'm worried about this. That's cute! He actually looks really, wow! He's pretty simple looking. When you look at him up close, the paint's not very good. The zip's actually quite basic on the back there. Here, the paint's kind of bad as well. But like, I'm not a connoisseur. Like, when you look at him from a distance, he'll be holding my glasses like so. Will it work? I think my glasses are a little bit too wide, perhaps? It'll be kind of like that, I guess. How do I get him on? Is he facing the wrong way? No. Sorry, I'll cut this from the video.
Ganbare!
Ganbare! There we go, so now we've got him. He's a bit wobbly. He's wobbly. It's because, why is he wobbly? That's all right. And now my boy, look after my glasses for me, please. How's that? He's not really like, oh yeah. That's so cute. Okay, the glasses like perfectly like touch the floor as well. Touch the table. And so he's holding my glasses. That's cute. And I think, oh, I guess he doesn't. On the box, it looked like he had another face. He had a different face that you could swap to. But I don't know if that's just, surely they wouldn't misadvertise that on the box. Maybe I can like rotate his face or something, or maybe that's why it was 1,000 yen. It was 1,000 yen because his other face is missing. But I'm okay with that. He has a practical purpose to like look after my glasses in a really funny way. When people come to my house, if I'm not wearing my glasses, I'll just pop them there. People will think that's funny when they walk in the door and see him. So yeah, that is the Teddy Persona 4 figurine from the Persona 4 animation. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I have a few more unboxing videos on the way. Check them out. They're right here, all around my head. See you guys in the next Kiwi in Japan video. Like, comment, subscribe. I read and reply to every comment. So